Here's 7 mistakes that beginner motorcycle riders often make and how you can avoid them. Mistake number 1, riding without defensive awareness. Beginners sometimes focus too much on their own riding and fail to anticipate the actions of other drivers. Defensive riding means staying alert, predicting potential hazards, and maintaining a safe distance from other vehicles. Mistake number 2, neglecting pre-ride inspections. Skipping a quick check of tire pressure, brakes, lights, and fluid levels can lead to mechanical issues or unsafe riding conditions. Regular inspections ensure your bike is road ready and reduce the risk of unexpected problems. Mistake number 3, riding beyond skill level. Attempting challenging routes or high speeds before mastering basic skills can lead to accidents. Gradually building confidence and proficiency is key to safe riding. Always ride within your limits every time you ride. Mistake number 4, ignoring weather conditions. Riding in rain, snow, or strong winds without proper preparation can be dangerous. Beginners should learn how to adjust their riding techniques and gear for different weather conditions. Always be mindful of the forecast ahead of time before you decide to get out and get on your bike. Mistake number 5, improper lane positioning. Staying too close to the center or edge of the lane can reduce visibility and increase the risk of collisions. Choosing the right lane position helps you stay visible to other drivers and avoid obstacles. And like I always tell my students, there's never one best lane position. You need to keep your eyes open, look ahead, and adjust regularly based on the conditions. Mistake number 6, skipping regular maintenance. Neglecting routine maintenance like oil changes, chain adjustments, and brake checks can compromise your bike's performance and safety. A well-maintained motorcycle is essential for a smooth ride. Mistake number 7, overloading the motorcycle. Carrying excessive weight or improperly securing luggage can affect balance and handling. Beginners should learn how to distribute weight evenly and avoid overloading their bikes. These mistakes are common but avoidable with practice, awareness, and proper training. But what if you're not making any of these mistakes, but you feel like there's some other issues and errors you're making that are putting you in danger on your motorcycle? Well, then watch this video next for the 7 worst riding mistakes beginner riders make and how you can fix them.